This is everything you need to know about how to seal a window. Hi, my name is Dave and I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to seal up your window with weather strips. This simple DIY project will help prevent cold air from seeping in during the colder months and your warm air escaping. It will also help make your home more energy efficient, saving on energy bills. So let's get into it. Start by choosing the right type of weather strip for the size of your gap. If you have a bigger gap, use a thicker strip. There are different types available: brush, foam and rubber, so you'll need to consider the location you're sealing to determine which is right for you. Today I'll be using rubber weather strips as it comes in different thicknesses and widths and is great for uneven gaps. The primary function of the weather strip is to prevent water, air and drafts from entering your home through gaps around the window frame. This helps prevent moisture damage and improve the energy efficiency of your home by reducing air leakage. Next, measure the height and width of your window to determine the size of the weather strip needed. You'll need to ensure that the strips are connected into the corners to make sure there are no air leakages. Roll out the weather strip and cut it to size according to the measurements you just made using scissors. Now, before you begin applying the weather strips, give your window frame a wipe with a damp cloth to remove any dust. Then, focusing on one section at a time, peel the adhesive strip back off the weather strip and apply it onto your window frame. Press it down firmly to ensure it adheres properly. Then, follow these steps for the rest of the window. Test the strips by closing your window and ensuring there are no visible gaps for airflow. There you have it. With just a few easy steps, we've shown you how to keep the cold air out using weather strips. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.